Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be cleaning this area of my kitchen and also bringing you some reminders. So let's get started. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. And those channels I will be linking below in my description box. Now, I'm going to be starting with tomorrow, which is the 8th. It's Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Well, I usually have quick and easy meals every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There is once a month where we have a special edition, and this month it's going to be your favorite Christmas dish, and that's not going to be till the 15th, which is the following Sunday. So let's move on to the next one. All right, so on the 9th, we have the Foodie Grocery Haul at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's move on to the next one. Now, on the 10th, we have Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This month, we do have a guest, and it is Kenya's Decor Corner, and her theme is Christmas red and green. So I am really excited about that. Don't forget, I would really love you to join. Let's celebrate Kenya. So let's move on to the next one. Now on Saturday, the 14th, we have the Christmas Sparkle Home Tour. And I have been trying to get ready all in between the raindrops with school, and I cannot wait to see you guys there. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait for you to join. Let's move on to the next one. Now, I am going to go ahead and mention this again because we are on the 15th of December at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do have a special edition on quick and easy meals. And once again, it is your favorite Christmas dish. I can't wait to see that. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so 'tis the season, guys, to go shopping. So we have the No Limit Shop and Haul collaboration, and that's going to be on the 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I can't wait to see your hauls, guys. That's going to be amazing. Let's move on to the next one. So on the 20th, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Christmas Cheer Styling My Way collaboration. That's going to be pretty awesome. We are getting very close now to Christmas. That's going to be on the 20th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's move on to the next one. So on the 21st at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Christmas Buffet Console Open collaboration. So that's going to be amazing. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so on the 23rd, which is a Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Foodie Grocery Haul. We are approaching Christmas very quickly, so I can't wait to see that haul. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so on the 24th, which is Christmas Eve, we have Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is having a theme on Christmas Eve, and it's cookies for Santa. So you can put on any hot beverage with your Tablescape and maybe some cookies or some dessert, and that would be amazing. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so on the 27th, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I would love for you to join me in the Winter Wonderland DIYs. These are all winter DIY decor pieces, and can't wait to have you there, guys. Let's go on to the next one. All right, so on the 30th of December at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Winter Wonderland Cozy Corner or Vignette collaboration. This one's going to be really fun, guys. Again, this is the Winter Wonderland. So that is at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I can't wait to see you there. All right, so all of these reminders were for the month of December. So as you can see, I have been cleaning my sink, my dishes, and placing them over there on the side because my dishwasher is loaded. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.